Roman chamomile has a wide range of benefits. Let's discuss 3 of Roman chamomile's top benefits: relieving muscle spasms, calming emotions, and easing digestion. I visited a Roman chamomile distiller in England and stood in the field of flowers that you're looking at right now. It was amazing. It gave me such appreciation for the powerful effect that that little sweet white flower has to offer us. Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget. Welcome to Aromahead Institute. In today's video, I want to teach you how to make a great blend for your belly. It's called Calm Belly, Happy Belly, and it's wonderful if you just ate too much, or maybe you have cramps, or you're just feeling discomfort in your belly. You can make this blend. It's very easy, and then you can put it on your belly and also on your low back, and I think it will really help. We're going to make it in a base of jojoba. It's a very neutral liquid wax that has very little aroma, has a nice long shelf life, and I'm going to put it into a 1-ounce glass bottle. So the first thing I'm going to do is just pour the jojoba right into the glass bottle, like that. And then I'm going to add my 3 essential oils. The first essential oil is Roman chamomile. I love Roman chamomile. And when I was at that distillery and I stood in that field of flowers, I got such a deep appreciation for the potent medicinal effects that that little sweet flower has to offer us. It smells fruity, it smells calming, and it's just a beautiful centering oil, and amazing if you have cramps or nausea, really effective. So we're gonna put in 8 drops of Roman chamomile, okay? Who needs 6? We need 8. Okay, 8 drops. 7, 8. Okay, great. And then I'm going to add to that 4 drops of peppermint. Now, everyone who knows peppermint knows that it is just a great digestive, especially the tea. If you drink peppermint tea, it's amazing for your belly. Well, the essential oil is just as effective. It's actually very powerful, and it's very soothing if you feel nauseous or if you have any kind of pain or indigestion. You're gonna love it. So 4 drops of peppermint. And the smell, I mean, who could not love that? It's so bright, it's so uplifting. Okay, we'll put our 4 drops in with our beautiful chamomile. And this is a nice ratio, 3, 4. To have the 8 drops of chamomile and the 4 drops of peppermint. That way the peppermint doesn't dominate the blend too much. It blends beautifully and the chamomile can still shine through. Now we're gonna have 4 drops of orange. Orange is such a good digestive, and the aroma together with these 3, you're gonna love this. It's so beautiful. So let's put our 4 drops of orange. It's such a nice bright orange color. I love that. And orange is a classic for cramps and muscle spasms, really nice in the belly. So that's your blend. Just give it a shake and you can apply it so easily. If you're enjoying this video and you love essential oils, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to the Aromahead channel. Just click that red button, and every 2 weeks I make a brand new video and we'll alert you via email to let you know that it's ready for you.